So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one is the SAMETOP smartphone chest mount harness. So yeah, this is like a 2-in-1. You can also use this for GoPro, DJ Osmo, and other sports action cameras for POV or vlog. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's shown in the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I would like to give a shout out to Maya from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the product. Chest mount harness phone holder by SAMETOP. And then the product is made in China. So this is built-in premium quality. Got this rubber stopper. And right here is a pinch clip. With this, you can mount your GoPro, DJI, or other Sony action camera. And this one is for the smartphone. So with this screw-on type, it's much better. So when you screw on, make sure it doesn't touch any of your button when you tighten them up. And then you could rotate. If you're doing like a TikTok or whatever, you could rotate to a vertical. And a good thing about this, there is a cold shoes mount to mount your flash. So you can mount your flash over here. Like this. Action. So yeah, you could mount your action camera on here. Okay, and then you can tell different angles. Or you mount this smartphone holder. And then wear on your chest. So both of your hands will be free. So this is the chest harness. So yeah, you could wear this for your sports, riding bicycle, skateboarding, skiing, snowboarding, whatever that you're gonna wear this. So it's an elastic band, pretty strong and sturdy. So yeah, you need to move the rubber up. And you're gonna wear this on your chest. It's a nice padding right here. You got the adjustable buckles. And this go to your shoulders. Make sure you press this rubber down. And then adjust the angle that you want to film. And then tighten it up. So yeah, you could remove this side strap just by pinching these two plastic. And then you could put one side through your arm and the other side to another arm, and then strap this in there. And then lock it. There's another buckle right here. Let's go and then test it out. Alright, so then ride a skateboard real quick. Well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always, peace.